I'm Jim O'Brien from WyckoffStockMarketInstitute.com. Today, I'd like to tell you a little bit about a terrific Wyckoff trading tool, the Wyckoff Market Analyzer, or in honor of its founder, David Weis, the Weiss Wave. This exciting trading tool helps Wyckoff students find great trades just before they happen. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer, or Weiss Wave, is a smart, simple, proven, automated plugin that works with TradeStation, MetaStock, NinjaTrader 7 and 8, and Forex's MetaTrader 4. It is compatible with all Windows operating systems. If you use one of these platforms, you must have this unbelievable trading tool. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer, or Weiss Wave, was developed by my friend David Weis. David is a Wyckoff expert with over 40 years of successful trading experience using the tried and true Wyckoff strategies and techniques. His dynamic trading software has been designed to identify price and volume action exactly like Richard D. Wyckoff did as he read the ticker tape so many years ago. 2 questions. How does this amazing plugin work? And, more importantly, does the Wyckoff Market Analyzer fit your trading objectives? To find out, let's take a hard look at this terrific trading tool. Did you know that over 80% of market value is generated by intraday and swing trades? Do you want to trade stocks, indexes, ETFs, futures, Forex, commodities, and even individual stocks? Have you found it difficult to use Wyckoff strategies and techniques when trading? Are you reaching your trading profit potential?
The Wyckoff Market Analyzer provides some great solutions to these important questions. This exciting software is based on the tape reading techniques of Richard D. Wyckoff and adapted to the volatility found in every one of today's markets. Successful Wyckoff traders need to see the individual waves for the markets in which they are trading. Using proven Wyckoff methodology, the analyzer generates waves automatically for any trading market. If volume is available, the market analyzer generates and identifies both up and down waves throughout the trading day. This amazing tool creates wave charts and applies them to your trading platform's already existing charts. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer works for short-term intraday trades, swing trades, and even intermediate to long-term trades. You set the parameters. The analyzer shows you the way to more profits. How does the Market Analyzer Weiss Wave work? Traditional bar charts subdivide price movements and volume into equal periods of time. Anyone who watches intraday charts knows price movement does not develop that way. Instead, markets really unfold in a series of individual buying and selling waves. These waves are critical when following Wyckoff strategies and techniques. Identifying pricing in this manner does not impede your ability to recognize a trend. Instead, this usually happens when one places volume readings into equal bundles of time. That strategy obscures the true force of buying and selling within any market. This force is absolutely critical when determining profitable entry and exit points. Let's look at a Wyckoff Market Analyzer chart of John Deere. This chart uses 10-cent waves. That means a new wave is created when there has been a 10-cent or more price fluctuation in either direction. Notice how wave volume jumps out and sends a very convincing message. As you can see, there was a high volume on the decline to the April 12th low at point B. This down wave lasted for 6 days. The daily volume looks relatively low. However, look at the cumulative down wave volume. It is quite heavy. Wyckoff students know that this is a bearish change in character. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer is sending a signal that we could be approaching a perfect trading opportunity. Now, watch what happens. There are 3 waves on the rally to point C, and they are marked by blue arrows. Notice how price spread and volume decreased on those 3 up waves. This emphasizes the weakness of the rally and tells us demand is being withdrawn. If you only look at the daily volume, this weak demand is not quite so obvious. But on the Wyckoff Market Analyzer, it jumps right out at you. Supply is again heavy on the next decline, but the daily volume still doesn't show the true picture. That's because the creation of individual waves gives us the opportunity to really see the high levels of supply that are coming back into the stock. This would be a great place to go short. If you had bought 10 puts at point C, in just a few days, you would have seen a profit of over $10,000. What about intraday and swing trading? If you are a swing trader or a day trader, the Wyckoff Market Analyzer is indispensable. It points out low-risk trading opportunities for stock indexes, ETF futures, Forex, individual stocks, and even commodities. The analyzer allows Wyckoff traders to set their own wave parameters and take readings to match their trading symbol's volume. It is important to understand that different trading vehicles can have different price movements and volume levels. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer can easily adjust time frames and take readings to make it amazingly simple to see these important turning points. You can automatically see every change in direction. This is what helps you maximize your profits. For example, here is a 5-minute chart of the September 10-year Treasury contract. In this example, prices have already moved down from an earlier high. Here we see heavy wave volume on the downswings to the low at point A. From this low, the wave volume fails to increase on the 3 small up waves. These are marked by the blue arrows. The last of these 3 waves only has a volume of 12,000. This indicates demand is spent and provides a very low-risk short-term trade with a nice profit in just under 2 hours. This is one of the many examples of easy, profitable intraday trades that are found simply by using the Wyckoff Market Analyzer. Here's another trading opportunity using the S&P 500. The intraday volatility in the S&P makes it a favorite among day traders. Great examples of wave volume appears in this contract. Let's look at the Wednesday, July 13th. Here we see an exceptional trading opportunity that shows the importance of wave volume. This is a 5-minute intraday chart of the September contract. In the morning, as the S&P rallies, it is easy to see how the wavelength and volume diminish as prices move higher. Notice how the wave volume decreases on the up wave, marked in green, as the S&P 500 rallies to point A. This suggests a drying up of demand. The analyzer is telling us that this is an excellent place to take a new position to the downside. At the top of the second wave, at point A, where the thrusts shorten, short positions could have been established. The first down wave from the high to point B draws out a massive supply. In fact, it was the heaviest of the day. On the subsequent rally to point C, demand evaporated. This gives the Wyckoff trader an additional entry point to short the market. The second of these 2 up waves consists only of one 5-minute bar. Without the bearish picture of the wave volume, the strong close on that price bar would have caused some traders to close out short positions, but not those who used the Wyckoff Market Analyzer. The rest of the day, the S&P reacted on good supply was present. After closing positions at day's end, the day trader would have seen a 14-point move that, depending on the size of the contract, would have produced thousands of dollars in profit. Without the Wyckoff Market Analyzer, many traders would have missed most or all of this wonderful opportunity. Here's a quote from the 1932 Wyckoff tape reading course. "You must always be on the lookout for a change in the immediate trend. It is likely the trend will change direction from 1 to 3 times during a single session. That is how you detect a change in an uptrend. It happens when the selling waves begin to increase in time and distance, or the buying waves shorten. Either or both will be an indication of the change in the immediate trend." That's exactly what the Wyckoff Market Analyzer does for the Wyckoff trader. Intermediate traders can profit too. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer also works for intermediate traders. These charts of Boeing show supply coming into the stock as it reaches the $80 level. After a brief down wave, Boeing rallied dramatically on noticeably reduced volume. Traders could then short the stock at the $79 to $80 level at point A, or wait for Boeing to fall through the ice and rally back to a last point of supply at point B. This was at the $78 to $78.50 level. Then Boeing entered a beautiful downtrend channel and finally became oversold relative to that channel in late June. The stock was at the $70 level. The point and figure chart gave us a 10-point count at just over $78 for a maximum objective of $69 a share. When it moved into an oversold position relative to its downtrend channel, this was a good time to take profits. In addition, Boeing was well within its objective area. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer posted a nice 9 to 10-point gain. These are just a few of the many trading success stories that are found using the Wyckoff Market Analyzer, also known as the Weiss Wave. The Market Analyzer is simple to install and easy to use. Here are some of the many trader-friendly features. The Wyckoff Market Analyzer comes in 2 sections, the wave line and the wave volume. These can be superimposed on top of any traditional bar chart. You can also make the bar chart invisible and let the wave stand by itself. Daily and intraday waves are automatically created based on your parameters. With the wave chart, you get a crystal clear picture of supply and demand right before your eyes. The wave volume is the secret to finding these critical turning points. As Mr. Wyckoff so often said, volume analysis is the key to successful lower risk trades. If you use TradeStation, Metastock, or NinjaTrader, the Wyckoff Market Analyzer automatically loads into your trading software. Remember, the plugin will not work unless you are using one of these platforms. This exciting software helps you work less and profit more. Great trades will suddenly appear right before your eyes. The analyzer's low $500 price allows you to recoup your investment with the first trade. But there's more. Everyone who purchases the Wyckoff Market Analyzer or the Weiss Wave will receive a free subscription to David Weiss's daily market letter on the position and future direction of the S&P 500 index. To purchase this exciting trading tool, simply click the order button below and start making profitable trades today.